Hi Connect friends, I just came back from my farmer's market and I wanted to share my haul with you. It was an amazing day at the market because everything's fresh now. I love this time of year. I got strawberries, I got blueberries, I got cherries, I got beets, yellow beans, cucumbers to make pickles, I got radishes and more, and I got things like these peppers. These are imperfect peppers, they have marks on them. They're still firm, but these are just marks from sitting on the ground. So I can cut these marks out of here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some pickled peppers. I made some earlier this week. This is what pickled peppers look like. I put them in the jar with some pickling spices, some herbs. I cut them into strips. And these make really great gifts. Everybody loves to get homemade things from the kitchen. Nobody expects to get it anymore. These are the kind of gifts that I would give at Christmas time. I pickled beans last year. I've got my last jar here. These are nice and crisp. They're fantastic. I call them dilly beans. People just don't expect to get these kinds of things, and they're so easy to make. You can make them too. I'm going to make a video a little later on how I make my pickled cucumbers, or I call them jilly dills. My name's Jill, so they're jilly dills. And I use the same brine to make my jilly dills as I do to make my beans and to make my peppers. I use it for fennel and all kinds of other vegetables. So I hope you'll tune in later, and I look forward to joining you in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.